In this video, we'll quickly show you how to use the pendant to select your axes and to move the CNC mill to the locations you might need to. To select any of the axes on the pendant, you simply press the button, in this case the X, and you'll notice on the screen that a little green light comes on right by the X axis. Be careful not to press the 0X button on the screen. It is a touch screen. If you press the button, you will zero out the X axis and have to recalibrate the machine afterwards. You're just verifying that the little green light is on next to that button. Once you've got that identified, you can use the outer ring. To move, in this case, the X axis. We want to move the Y axis, we press the Y button. Notice that on the screen, the Y button is highlighted green. You can now move the Y axis to the location you may need. Z axis, I press the Z button, and I can move the Z axes into location where I may want it. First step when you start the machine is you're going to need to zero the Z axis to make sure that it is on a location that is referenced in the program, so that you can start your program and have the proper depth of cut whenever you're running your particular program. The programs for the C-clamp all reference off of the surface of the jig or of the fixture, and you will need to make sure that the axis is properly zeroed, the Z axis. The X and the Y have already been zeroed and referenced, so you should not need to re-zero the X and Y axes. The next video will show specifically how to zero the Z axis.